It's a new year and I want to just share this vlog with you guys. I am helping families to get healthy and back into taking care of their body using nothing but fresh produce. So I got invited by a family to help them and teach them how to juice. So we went shopping, and as you can see here, I am going ahead and I am just making sure that I clean everything, every types of juice that I make. I only use fresh organic ingredients. So I taught them how to actually shop, looking at the PLU numbers to know which is truly organic, which is, not really the best or has GMO. So as you can see right here, I'm putting all of the produce and the vegetables, the fruits in the sink. I've already pre-washed the sink. And yes, I soak everything before I begin to chop and before I begin to juice any and everything. So we got some limes, pomegranates, cranberries, cucumbers, we have grapes with seeds, parsley, we have kale. So the way that you want to clean this, you want to sprinkle baking soda in warm water. And then also too, the next thing is we're going to use vinegar. That creates a chemical reaction that helps to not only bubble up, but it also helps to remove any buildup, any pesticides. I even go as farther as I go ahead and I scrub everything with a produce brush. And this, just fast forward, you guys are seeing me rinse everything. I let everything soak for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure everything is clean, y'all. So after I do that, I normally let them, dry on a paper towel or a towel on the counter while I prep. So one of the ways that I start to prep is I basically group everything that I'm going to juice together. So if I'm doing a detox juice, I will juice, all of my greens together. If I'm going to do my beauty builder juice, which helps with, promoting healthy hair and promoting glowing skin, I juice and all those together. And I love to do what we call batch juicing, where once or twice a week, I do my produce shopping for the week. And then I prep everything. And then from there, I go ahead, I soak everything. I cut up everything that needs to be cut up, as you can see that I'm doing here. And then I begin juicing. And I do this because I no longer buy juice from the grocery store. My family and I only drink fresh pressed juice. Why? Because of all of the nutrients, all of the health benefits, from weight loss to glowing skin to burning stubborn belly fat to helping with digestive issues. Also too, I love helping and teaching other people how they can do this too from the comfort of their home. I teach you how to shop, how to actually purchase the right produce, how to actually, mix the right things together. With that being said, I would like to invite you guys to join my juicing challenge that is happening this January. Also too, you can send me a DM or a message, and I would love to just help you get to a better you. And I hope you guys like this. Let me know if y'all want to see more of this content.